Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Facebook Ad Creative and Meta Ads Manager step by step clearly. To enable Facebook Ad Creative and Meta Ads Manager, start by logging into your Facebook account. Navigate to the Meta Ads Manager by selecting it from the menu. Once in the Ads Manager, locate the campaign you want to edit or create a new one. Click on the campaign to access the ad sets within it. Select the ad set where you want to enable the creative. Now click on the Ads tab to look at your ad options. If you are creating a new ad, click the Create button. For existing ads, find the one you want to edit and click on it. Scroll down to the Add Creative section. Here, you will see options for adding your creative elements. You can upload images or videos directly from your device. Alternatively, you can choose from existing media that you have uploaded. To add text, look for the text sections within the Add Creative area. Input your headline, body text, and call to action as needed. Make sure to review all your creative elements for compliance with Facebook's advertising guidelines. Check the preview to see how your ad will appear in different placements. Once you are satisfied with the creative, save your changes. Finally, click the Publish button to enable your ad creative. Your Facebook ad is now ready for review and will be live once approved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.